So we're going to make a video for handling all everything regarding our contact. So first, how do we add a new contact? But by the way, when we open this application, by default, we see this screen. Well, first tab which says contacts. Here, you will see there is a button called new contact. So as soon as we click here, we are ready to enter the new details. So all you have to do is after clicking this button, start entering the details. For example, Ali, mail, mail.com, something, phone number, me, address, Lahore, um, state, for example, something like this. After adding all the details that you want, you simply have to click this button and this new contact details will be saved. Okay, it says please select customer type. So something is missing here. Customer type. Oh yeah, this one. We have to select the customer type, then click save button. And the save new contact database has been saved. As soon as the new contact is saved, it will start appearing here. By the way, this little search works. Type as you go, search as you type. So as soon as I write something in it, it will start searching for us. So if I make a search by the name of Mike, I can automatically see the contact here. As soon as I pick this one, all the details related to this contact will be loaded on this one. Okay, the next thing is how we edit a detail. So editing the details on this context is simple actually. You will just double click on any field here and it will give you option to change it to a different thing, for example, this one, I'll change it to Tyson. Now you can see it's changed to Tyson, right? For example, I move to some a different contact and come back, it still saves the last name that I changed. Okay, same thing applies to all of these fields that you see on the left side, all of these and state and zip. However, for these 5 fields, for 4 fields related to the task and 1 field related to the this notes. So if you want to edit something after making the edits, make sure you click, if for example, you are trying to make a change in the notes, after changing the notes, make sure you click on this button. Otherwise, the changes will not be saved. For example, I added this one. Now I did not click this button. I will move away, I come back. The changes were not saved. So, but if I click the button, then it will be saved. Okay, then I'll click this button and go to a different contact, come back. You see the changes are saved. Same thing applies to these 4 fields. So if you make any change on any of these fields, make sure you click a button next to each field. Okay, this is how you manage a contact. But there is one small thing that we need to discuss is how a task is assigned. It's very simple. After first of all, after assigning the task, where did it go? Where does it go? It goes to 2 places. One, under this appointment section here, as you can see, the last appointment we have here is number 20, right? If I come to the contact, oh sorry, I was saying the details goes to 2 sections, one under this appointment and one into your Outlook. Make sure when you're running this access, you must have Outlook running in the background, actually running on this taskbar. So for example, if I pick the details from here, change it to something like this, and let's leave the name same. Make sure you click these buttons to save this information, then click on save task. So as soon as I do this, if I go check in the appointments, you see this is the last last task I created, and we can also see it was saved in to the calendar here. I think it was for, hold on, let me check, for 30. 30 for May, no, June. You see this, there is a one task assigned here. Okay. Okay, that's how we handle a contact.